First of all, guys, I'm sorry for being not so consistent for the past month. I know I'm inconsistent. I know. I apologize. And this is an all-time classic video that was actually made ages ago, but I haven't really done much of. It's gonna be called What's up, Savage Nation? It's your boy Wellzy Vlogs here, back again with another video. Before I start this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn those post notifications so you get notified for every time I upload a video. And make sure to smash that like button. Also make sure to check out all my content down below in the description or in the title cards above. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing with your life? You should subscribe right now. First of all, guys, I'm sorry for being not so consistent for the past month. I know I'm inconsistent. I know. I apologize. I should be more consistent, and this time I am gonna be more consistent. And I know what you guys are gonna say. You're just gonna say,
so that was a fucking lie.
Secondly, just want to tell you, this time around my content has to have a shorter intro because I feel like I ramble on too much, and I've shortened it to make it more better for you guys so you don't instantly click off the video. And for the love of God, do not click off of this video, okay? Because this is going to be a very interesting video that you guys would want to see. But I digress. So that being said, I'm going to get straight into the video. Let's go. Alright, so I got what all I need. You need some salt and pepper for flavor at the end. A measuring cup, I just use this. I have my spade, my scissors to, to cut open those things, and my spoon to stir it. Also I have this and my tub. So I'm gonna place it down and then do it all from the camera. Alright, so I have it aimed at the bowl as you can see it. So I'm just gonna grab my 300, I think it's 350, hold on. Let me check. So I have to put in 340 mils of water. So I'm just gonna grab that. So I'm just gonna pour it in. Also make sure to clean up after you. That's very important for when you're cooking, especially when you're at home on your own or cooking for other people. You know, you gotta make sure you clean up everything. Make sure you clean as you go. So I'm just gonna open this packet here. So normally the packet contains the pasta and this stuff here. I don't know if you guys can see that there. I'm just gonna pour the pasta in. And since I'm having two, that's why I gotta double the water and stuff. Pour it in like that. Make sure you get all of it. Also make sure to put your rubbish away. It's very, very important to always put your rubbish away. So I'm gonna go do that. Alright, so that's what it looks like up and close. So now I'm gonna grab it and put it into the microwave. But first, what I normally do is get this spatula here and stir it. And then put it on for 4 minutes. Then I stir, put on another 4 minutes, stir again, and it should be ready. So I'm gonna start. Sorry about that, guys, just had to check something. So I'm just gonna press one of these buttons. Hold on, let me focus it. So I'm gonna press 4, and there it goes. So now I'm just gonna change my battery, and I'll be back when it's about to go to 5 seconds. Alright, so it's nearly done. I forgot to do one thing. Paper towel. I should have never ever put it in before. I put the paper down. So now I know not to do that. So I'm just gonna grab the spoon again and just stir it. So now I'm just gonna put the paper towel in to save face. But I will be cleaning definitely the microwave and the inside and the plate itself. So I make sure I always clean up after myself. I'm gonna pop it back in and hit 4 again. And this is the last time I'll be stirring it after this, so I'll be back when that is finished. And I forgot to mention to you guys, I did actually do this idea before, but unfortunately I scrapped it because, you know, being in a not right mind, it's not gonna do as well, so I'm just gonna scrap it. So I scrapped it. By the time this video is up, it will be next week. I'm definitely not gonna scrap this because it's a good idea and I want to actually try and get more content out for you guys. So this is about to finish soon in 50 seconds, so I see you guys then. Alright, so it's about nearly finished. 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so be careful when you guys take out things from the microwave because it'll be extremely hot. So I'm just gonna grab this. Like so. Voila. I'm now gonna close the microwave out, but first I will grab this, put it in the bin, and then I'll grab this and clean it, because I gotta make sure it's clean, and then clean in the inside of the microwave. So I'm just gonna wash that as well. So I'm just gonna leave that open, put this in the bin, put this camera on the tripod, and I'll see you guys in a sec. Alright, now that's all done. The reason why I have it on the tripod is so, yeah, I can't multitask, but at the same time it'll look better like this. So trust me, it's gonna work. So just gonna open up this packet of cheese stuff that it usually comes with. Pretty much not being a pig, and I understand. I'm a bit messy sometimes, I understand. So I know full well I should keep it clean all the time. So, you know, I understand now why. Because if you don't keep it clean, you know, cockroaches and all that can get in and it's not great. So I'm just gonna pour in all this. I don't know if you guys can see because my fat hand's in the way. Make sure you get all of it in. What I normally do then is get some salt and pepper and crack it in. Then I mix. Mix it in very thoroughly. As you can see, I've mixed it in, and I'm gonna continue mixing it in. If you want extra salt and pepper, but you know, I don't recommend, so I'm just gonna scrape all this in. And that's done. So I'm gonna have a little taste tester of it. Just gonna, after that, eat this, clean up, and wash up, put stuff away, and then end the video. Alright, I don't know if you guys can see me right now. I'm gonna push the camera up a bit. So I'm about to eat. I've got my can of drink here, so listen to this very close. No, that's an ASMR, guys. So I'm gonna have a little taste test. That's good. It's actually pretty good. Pretty good. I give this a 9 out of 10. So what I would say negatively about it is not as great as how you make it home. And yes, I already know that. You guys already know that. But I can make homemade, but I don't think I have the ingredients. I'm not sure. But I'm not the greatest cook here, so that's probably why I'm resorting to packet shit, you know. You guys don't know already, you're probably gonna roast me right now in the comments down below saying, wow, pathetic, using packet instead of homemade cooking it by scratch. So, I know what you guys are gonna say, and that's just your opinion right now. Not bad at all. It's not as good as my from scratch, as I said. So I'm just gonna finish eating this. I'm gonna clean up, wash up, and all that stuff, and I'll see you guys a little bit later. Alright guys, so I've pretty much done all I need to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate if you do subscribe and turn on those post notifications. Make sure to click all and make sure to smash that like button. More content will definitely coming soon. As soon as I get off my ass and actually do something with myself instead of not uploading. So I do appreciate those who have stuck around for a long time, ever since I had my old channel before it got hacked. And I do appreciate you guys. So I'm pretty much just gonna now try and get Chris to edit this video as soon as you can. Probably tomorrow when he got more time on his hands. And he's a very busy man, he works. I'm gonna stop rambling now. I'm gonna go and chill out, watch videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed. That being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Her body's gold like September. She burns through the night like an ember. And all those things we tried forgetting, I remember. But we